Hi, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. Today I want to talk about a downshift. So what I mean by that is when you're kind of worrying, you're perseverating, you're planning about something in the future, or you're worrying about something you did in the past, and there's just these circle of thoughts that keep going and going and going, and you maybe shut them off, but then they come back again. So what is it that you use that creates that little bit of downshift? And when I'm talking about that, also I want you, it's something that you're feeling in your body. So I can literally feel, and I call it a downshift because it just feels like I can feel my brain almost calming down. There's just a sense that my breath slows down, and sometimes I'll feel just tingles go through my body. So it might be a mantra that you use, it might be a sound, a breath, a different focus. So we've all got to hopefully have some way of creating that downshift in ourselves so that we can stop that thought process, that monkey mind. And I was using for a while, and I still do, the words soul, be still. And recently I've kind of shifted after watching the Ram Dass Going Home special on Netflix. I fell asleep during one of the 4 times I was watching it, and I was coming out of this dream state, and I just heard him say, "Merrily, merrily, 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 life is but a dream." And so that's been my mantra recently when I want to create that downshift and the stopping the thought process that's going on. And I'll feel this just sereneness, this blissful state that just comes to my body and my mind whenever I say those words, either mentally or out loud. So, what is your downshift technique? I'd love to hear what you're using, so that we can all get an idea of other techniques that we can all use to help us create that kind of blissful state anytime we need it.